Please subscribe and press the bell icon and like this video. Select the image you want to edit. Go to the Snapseed application. Click on Tools. Click on Curves. Choose the green color. Scroll down right side. Click on Right. Select the middle option from top. Select View Edit and select Curves. Select the middle option and click Revert button. Make sure that the curve option is in 0. Now you can easily erase the unwanted portion. Follow me. Click on Right. Click on Done. So the dress will appear like it is in red in color. Thanks for watching.